Fruitcakes are super duper amazing, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the best. Did I say the best? Yes, the bestest. Yes, the best fruitcake in the world. Follow me in this video and remember to stay on, subscribe to this channel. Please hit on the notification button to be the first person to receive and view our videos when we post them. And don't forget to ask questions on the comment section, and you can request any video you want us to do, and we're going to do this. And we are here to serve, and we're here to grow together. Let's get into the video immediately. The ingredients for making a fruit cake. Oh my god, I feel this is somewhat my best cake in the world. Alright, so tell me, what is your best cake? Tell me in the comment section of this video. And don't forget, if you want to get the full recipe, just hit me up on any of my social media. If you check the description section, you're going to see it. Hit me up there, send a token of just 1,000 naira, support this channel, and I'm going to be sending you the full recipe. Thank you so much. Alright, so we go ahead. We have our butter and our sugar right here. It's ready, creamed, white, fluffy, totally ready. We have preservative. Remember, you can use 501, you can use Squadron, alcohol. I use alcohol-based preservative. This is the flavor. I use vanilla flavor. I think vanilla flavor is very, very traditional for fruitcakes. That's clear vanilla flavor. This is golden syrup. This is black treacle. This is egg. This is our flour. All right. Now this flour contains the cinnamon. So you put your cinnamon in the flour. Those are like putting all dry ingredients here. You put your salt here, you put cinnamon, you put mixed spices, you put your cocoa powder right there. You put your cocoa powder right there. Alright, so you have all dry ingredients here and all wet ingredients here. After that, after making all of this white and fluffy, the next thing you're going to do is simply to alternate. So you start with your egg. So you alternate your egg, just put half the egg, alternate your egg and your flour. Of course, your flour contains other dry ingredients, so you're going to alternate. So when you put the egg, you fold in, and then you have half of this. So this is like your dry ingredient. I take it again. Your dry ingredients include flour, salt, cinnamon powder, mixed spices, and cocoa powder. All right, that is the constituent of your dry ingredients. Remember, and I say again, okay, I've not said this before actually. Remember that your fruitcakes will not have baking powder, baking soda. It won't have any raisin, and that is it. So while we're doing this, I'm just going to tell you how to prepare your fruits for your fruitcake. You know, it's one thing to have an amazing fruitcake like this that is very nice, but your fruits are a bit toxic. There's a way you eat your fruit and you're going to be perceiving a lot of the alcohol. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make your fruits right there. Let me show them here. How to make this to be sweet when you eat it, sweet and very soft. Alright, so let's continue doing this. After alternating, I'm still trying to alternate. I put more of the eggs right there. Alright, so we're going to have the preservative. We're going to have the preservative. We're going to have the flavor. Alright, and we are now putting all wet ingredients now. So preservative, flavor. Of course, the fruit is going to be the last thing. The fruit is going to be the last thing. Alright. So after doing that, I put the golden syrup. I'm going to be putting the golden syrup right there. And the black treacle. The golden syrup and the black treacle. Now, the browning is going to come in next. The browning is going to come in next. I'm going to show you how to include the browning or incorporate the browning to this recipe. Alright, so you're going to put the browning to desired quantity. You're going to put the browning to your desired quantity. So you know it's usually brown. So of course the browning is just to help it to be brown. Alright? Alright, so I'm just going to put my browning to my desired quantity. I'd like it to be somewhat brown, not too brown. Some people like it to be very brown. but I'll just like to keep it moderately brown. And of course, the last thing I'm going to include here would be the fruits. So this is mixed fruit. You add alcohol, soak it in alcohol, and add sugar. For this to be sweet, add sugar. Of course, I'm not putting everything. I'm just going to take out only the fruits. Now you add the sugar, normal level to taste, and then you keep it for maybe a week. The softer actually, the better. When it's soft, it's always really, really nice. And some people pour the whole thing in, but I feel it's unhealthy actually to have so much of sugar, in food, or so much of the alcohol in food like this. So I try as much as possible to keep it healthy. So I wouldn't pour, all of that in. I just take out the fruit only and put it in, and just turn it a few, and that is it. This cake can stay for some time, can stay for a long time without getting spoiled. That's one of the, would I call it, a use of a fruit cake. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and brothers and sisters and friends and followers, I really, really love the way you're supporting. I see your comment, I see your video requests, and I'm sure we're doing everything on the back end to give it to you, to give you value back to back. Alright, so this is the end of this video, and I really appreciate you staying and watching, and I love the result I'm seeing. If you do any of these cakes, please send pictures to me on my social media where I hang out. If you look at the description section of this video, you're going to see where I hang out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, even on my WhatsApp. And remember, I can give you the full recipe for just 1,000 naira. If you send proof of payment to me, I'm going to send you the full recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification button to be the first person to see these videos every time we post them. Till some other time, thank you so much, and I love you.